Hello friends, today I will teach you how to remove duplicates. It's very easy method to remove duplicates from data. The first tips, don't click in blank cell if you want to remove from data. Don't click on blank cell. Okay, first tip. Then click on where in your data in Excel, click where you want. Okay, and click on data tab and then click on remove duplicates. You will see here data tools. In data tools you will find remove duplicates. Click here. Okay, click here. I want zone wise duplicate remove. Okay, so I will select unselect. Okay, zones, it's is a call header name. Okay, this is a header name. You will see here, this is header name. I want to remove duplicates from zone. Okay, I will click here and you will see here 278 duplicates value found, removed from this data, and unique 9 values remain. Okay, you will see here. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Please support my YouTube channel. Like, share, comment. Thank you so much.